What would happen if you replaced all drinks with water? If you replace all drinks with water for 9 days, you'll lose the equal amount of calories as when jogging for 8 kilometers a day. Drinking just 17 fluid ounces water in the morning increases your metabolism by 24%. Drink water to work more efficiently, cope with all daily tasks quickly, and stay energized even late in the evening. If you suddenly want to eat something high-calorie, maybe all you need is just a glass of water. Try it out next time you feel hungry. It really works. Water washes out harmful substances, preventing aging. Want to look young and fresh as long as possible? Drink a glass of water right now. Water lowers the risk of many diseases. Which diseases? A lot, like hypertension, bladder conditions, bowel cancer, and others. 5 glasses of water a day lowers the risk of a heart attack by 41%. Water clears and moistens your skin. Trust us, after a few weeks of drinking water every day, you will fall in love with your skin again. The price of water is much lower than that of other drinks. Think about it.